so today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to shorten the straps on a JSK. This is a really simple thing and I just decided that it was something that's needed. So the first thing you need to do is decide how much shorter you want to go. I fold mine on the inside so they can't be seen when worn. You can cut them and re-sew them, but it's easier if you just fold them. The extra bulk isn't too much. This is me pinning them very badly, but pinning them all the same. So do that on both straps, or else you're going to run into problems later. And make sure definitely that they are the same length, because you don't want one longer than the other. There you go, once you've got them both pinned, double check that that's the right length for you, and that you've got it all on the inside, and that the shirring isn't being interfered with if it has shirring. Fortunately in my case the shirring was fine. So you want to take your thread. I'm using white thread once again just so you can see it. I already had a very short length cut, so I started off on one side with that, and you just want to go in onto your strap like that and tie a knot. I did this one on the outside, and then the second one I did, which is what most of this footage is me doing it on the inside. The inside is a little bit harder to see when you're wearing it than the outside, but the sewing on the outside is actually way easier to sew itself. You get to enjoy me here repeatedly dropping this dress. I did nothing wrong, I just kept dropping. I'm really making sure it's secure. So this is on the inside. What I'm doing is I'm going into the shirring panel and then through the strap, and you don't see very much of the thread on the outside. So what I like to do is I like to go all the way across on the strap and then come back just to give it that extra bit of security. This is just a normal stitch through. You can do fancier stitches and more secure stitches. This worked fine for me. There we go, I did it, and this is what you can see on the outside, and I did little crossover stitches on the inside. That is basically how it looks if I actually hold it to the camera like a logical person. You can see the slight differences, and yeah. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.